Hello everyone, I'm Nam. Now I will show you how to use the Raspberry Pi to read the signal from Rotary encoder by Python code or not-read flow. The hardware materials we need to have are Raspberry Pi, two pull-up resistors, 1 kilo ohm, and Rotary encoder AB phase. Now we go to the screen on Raspberry Pi and see the value change when I rotate the pulley, high speed counter, or not read. You see? You can go to the Python function and run the code Python high speed counter. Rotate the pulley and you see the value change forward and backward. That's all. Now we go to the wire connection. Here the wire connections. Rotary encoder connects to Raspberry Pi. Power connects to 5 voltage power on Raspberry Pi. Ground connects to ground on Raspberry Pi. We need to pull up resistor 1 kilo ohm here in series with AB phase and connects to GPIO 17 and GPIO 27. Now we go to the Raspberry Pi to write the Python code and run not-read flow. Here the Python code on Raspberry Pi. You need to click here. Go to Python program here and open it like this. You need to go to this website here and copy this and paste it here like this. First you need to initialize the counter to 0. It depends on your choice. Okay, definitions AB phase from Rotary encoder connects to Raspberry Pi. The wire connections depends. Here, GPIO set mode setting to use the PCM GPIO. GPIO setting up with value input. GPIO at even detect at rising edge detection on GPIO with response time 1 second, 1 millisecond. It depends on your choice. Here, GPIO input to read the value from GPIO input. If conditions for counting the value backward and forward. Here, while true, infinite loop. Now we click here to run the Python code. And you see when I rotate the pulley forward, the value change. High speed counter backward. Okay, now we go to not-read workplace. Here the not-read workplace have been installed before. If you not yet, you need to install first. Now we use this function here, inject now and debug and the exact Here, the not red workplace. It had been installed before. Okay, now we choose inject, debug, and the exec. We need to configure this. Inject once after done. Configure the exec command. Here you need to type Python 3 space and go to your file manager here. Go to the location of your Python code. This you need to open it to check it. Okay, it's right. And here you need to right click and copy path. Return to not red and paste it. Message. Click. Choose spawn mod and click done. Open debug. Name here encoder value counter. Done. Connect all of this. Okay. Now click deploy. And you see when I rotate the pulley, the value change. Okay. Forward. When I turn backward, the value will change. Okay, high speed counter. Okay, that's all of my video. If you have any question about this, you can contact me by put the comment below.